Jonathan Gibbs. I'm a strip tiller from Fox Lake, Wisconsin. Basically, one of the things that intrigued us about strip tilling was we liked the no-till we were doing, but we did see a yield drag, because we're in southern Wisconsin. We do get colder soils in the spring. As compared to our full width tillage, our no-till was, a little behind on yield, and we thought that strip till could kind of marry the two together and make that up. And since we started strip tilling, I think we've seen that our strip till corn behind beans is equal with what we were doing with hitting the ground with the field cultivator ahead of the corn planter. Corn on corn can tend to be a little more of a challenge, strip till compared to full width tillage, but I think we've been meeting those challenges on our farm. We're pretty much a spring strip till program with our Dawn pluribus unit. We've added a Montag box to incorporate half our nitrogen in that strip in the spring. That's allowed us to, we've pretty much only got to hit a field once in the spring, which was equal to what we were doing with the field cultivator. But compared to a corn on corn system we were doing, we were fall chiseling, leveling it off in the spring with a disc, spreading our fertilizer, and then incorporating that with a field cultivator. And compared to that, we're fertilizing and tilling in one pass, which we see a benefit from. I think we also are going to see a long-term benefit from moving our soil, tilling our soil less, and kind of letting our soil kind of go into, I don't want to say a more natural form, but an undisturbed form where it can, form its aggregates compared to, hitting it each year with a heavy tillage pass. One thing we've seen strip tilling, we needed to see either a net financial wash or a financial payback, and especially with corn on corn. We do see somewhere around a 3 to 5 yield bushel drag compared to conventional till, but when you look at the dollars and the cents of the system, we've got 2 less passes in the field, and that means, for us about $25–30 an acre less in tillage cost, compared, when you subtract the cost of strip tilling out. But we do have to add a herbicide pass for burn down. So we're a dedicated 2-pass program now in herbicide. I guess you could say before we were a dedicated 2-pass program, with the first pass being a tillage pass that did do some weed control for us. But so far we've seen that the benefits outweigh the drawbacks, both financially, but on a systems approach and on a stewardship level on our farm.